I'm Chief Meteorologist Amber Sellens. Tracking your forecast now, and another day in the 80s tomorrow. It's going to be gorgeous in the morning. 59 degrees at 6 a.m., 70 by 9, and 80 degrees at noon. Temperatures in the afternoon peaking in the upper 80s as winds stay light here across the Phoenix metro area. And with light winds for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well, ozone pollution is going to build up. So air quality will get worse, but fire danger will go down as those winds lighten up. But ozone high pollution advisories now, or watches rather, for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday that could be advisories as we get closer. So if you have asthma or COPD, just plan on limiting your time outside, particularly in the afternoon hours when ozone pollution will be peaking, or you could have difficulty breathing. Let's take a look at that forecast city by city. For tomorrow, 82 in Carefree, 86 in Cave Creek, Scottsdale and Mesa at 88, Gilbert at 89, and temperatures at 88 in Queen Creek and 87 in Santan Valley. Lows all across the East Valley in the 50s tonight, a little bit below average temperature-wise, both in terms of the overnight low and the daytime high for tomorrow. Across the West Valley, most spots ending up at 89 degrees, and that's what we expect in Phoenix as well. So about 4 degrees below normal for this time of year. Across the state, tonight lows in the 50s south of the valley into Casa Grande and Tucson, 40s in Sedona and Payson, and 30s in Show Low and Winslow. Freezing 30s below 32 in Heber and Window Rock, and freezes in the 20s for Flagstaff and the Grand Canyon as well. So some colder air tonight, but temperatures will be rebounding for the rest of the week and into the weekend as well. So tomorrow, 60s and 70s up along the rim, 81 in Sedona, 83 in Globe, and more of those 80s along the Colorado River Valley tomorrow afternoon. Winds not too much of an issue across most of the state tomorrow, but they are going to pick up a little bit along the Colorado River Valley. That's because the direction is going to shift out there, and as winds come out of the north, they will accelerate downhill into the river valley throughout the day tomorrow. We may feel a few breezes across eastern and southeastern Arizona tomorrow afternoon, but generally speaking, a whole lot lighter on these wind speeds tomorrow than what we've seen over the last few days as this storm system that has been passing through finally clears out of here. Now, high pressure comes in next, and this is bringing some big time heat to your 7-day forecast. We'll hit the upper 90s Friday and then start a long stretch of triple-digit temperatures that will continue through the weekend and at least through the first half of next week, and also get us within a degree of the records on Sunday and Monday.